Hello, my name is Kartik and I'll be showing you how to install OpenStack. So we'll be following the official website of OpenStack. So the link is as shown here. Now what we will do is we'll follow each and every step given here. So first we'll copy this and we'll create a user. As you can see, the stack has already exists because I have tried it before. So moving to the next step. Okay, so it's done. Then now it's asking for the password. Okay, it's done. So now download the dev stack. So we'll clone this. Okay, so it's saying destination part dev stack already exists because I have done it before. So you will follow the same stack and then we'll move to the this directory dev stack. After moving to this dev stack directory, we'll create a local.conf file with 4 passwords and preset at the root of the dev stack git repo. So I already have created this file, so I don't need to create it again. Then you have to follow the start the install. So using this you can run this script and it will start running. It will take a couple of minutes, so wait for that. In between, what all it will download is your dev stack will have installed Keystone, Glance, Nova, Placement, Cinder, Neutron and Horizon. So these all are the parts of OpenStack. So first these all have to be installed in your system. We'll have to wait for a couple of minutes. This is a very long script. It will take a couple of more minutes.